past the hour of 11 in the morning and the date today is the 26th of May 2026 on a Tuesday.
Mabuhay! Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the seatbelt sign is switched off. For an orderly disembarkation, we ask everyone on board to remain seated and await instructions for deplaning. We will commence passenger deplaning as soon as we receive clearance. Those with connecting flights will be given priority. If you need assistance, please approach our cabin crew and ground staff who will be happy to assist you. On behalf of the Philippine Airlines. Mabuhay! Kalalapag po lamang natin. Mangyaring manatiling nakaupo at nakakabit ang inyong seatbelts hanggang ang seatbelt sign ay hindi na nakailaw. Para sa maayos na pagbaba mula eroplano, manatili lamang sa inyong mga upuan at hintayin ang mga tagubilin para sa inyong maayos na paglabas. Sa sandaling tayo ay mabigyan ng pahintulot, ating sisimulan ang pagbaba mula sa eroplano. Bibigyang prioridad ang mga pasaherong may connecting flights. Kung kayo ay nangangailangan ng tulong, lumapit lamang sa inyong mga cabin crew at ground staff. Muli, maraming salamat po sa pagtangkilik sa Philippine Airlines.
If you have one-way connection, taking all flights departing from Nahia Terminal 1 may avail of our free shuttle service. And for passengers who requested assistance, such as wheelchair, please to plane last. Our cabin crew and ground staff will be happy to assist you. And on behalf of Captain Feliz Fernando Catan, together with First Officer Dan Alcantara and the rest of the crew, we thank you for choosing to fly with Philippine Airlines. Once again, we thank you for choosing to fly with Philippine Airlines and may you have a pleasant and safe stay here in Manila. Mabuhay at maraming salamat po.